All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about keeping organized on big jobs. All right, you get a big job, you got to figure out how to, keep it all in order so you can, put it back together. So let's talk about some of my tips to, save you some headaches. Now, one of the big things, it's going to cost you money. Now, there's other ways to do it, but my preferred method is magnet trays. Magnet trays, lots of magnet trays. Another option is muffin tins. You can go to a thrift store and buy a bunch of cheap ones, or you can go to Wally World and buy a bunch of cheap ones, and you've got individual cups to put different fasteners in. Works well too. They're just not magnetic. But you can pick up magnets too, so if you're cheap, it's a good way. I do prefer magnet trays though. Like, I have some fasteners in this magnet tray. As you can see, I got the heads off on this Hemi. It's a Hemi, so big surprise there. Another magnet tray over here with, more bolts. Another option for organizing bolts is to put them back in the component they go in, like on this alternator. Or like this exhaust manifold. Just put the bolts back in. Now, stacking parts. What I try to do is as close to the door as possible is the first components I take off, and then work my way closer to the front of the vehicle with more recent stuff. Organized pile, but it's a pile of organization. So intake was the last thing that came off. Fan and shroud. AC lines were in there somewhere, and then fan clutch is over there just because it was a good place to put it. All right, so my valve train components are in their respective valve cover. And push rods that match that side of the intake or exhaust are, placed next to those rocker arms so I can keep them organized. Again, same deal there. Heads are obviously headed off to the machine shop. And just you. Now, if this was customer pay, I would recommend an engine, but it's a warranty company, so they took pictures of this and they approved the repair, so it is getting what it's getting. I'll do as much as I can to clean the sludge up, but yeah, it's ugly. Oh, and don't put tools on the cowl like I do. Just a bad idea. More sludge. Ew. So I hope this video gave you some ideas on how to organize for big jobs. Important when you put your parts somewhere that they don't get messed with. One of the worst things you can have is somebody come in and then screw with the order of everything. Been there, done that. It sucks because then you have to dig through parts to find the next part you need to install. And if you've got them in order, you want to just go and grab and then as efficiently as you can reinstall those parts. Now, with this setup and how I've got it set up, I can't really go this way because other than those workbenches, I don't have any room this way other than toolboxes. My coils and bolts are actually in my hutch and my other Revel, but you want to stay as organized as you can because organization equals time. The more organized you are, the more you know where things go, the faster you can do those repairs. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.